Good morning to all. This class we will discuss about the types of pattern. Already we discussed the pattern materials, pattern allowances, molding sand preparation, molding sand ingredients, molding tools. So this class, what are the types of pattern available and use it in the industry. First, solid or single piece pattern. The name implies only one pattern is used throughout that process. So pattern single without joints. These types of pattern mostly suitable for that small castings for a small shape can be easily to remove from that molding sand. So throughout the process, single piece to be used, mostly rectangular, square, uh, simple components mostly to prepare the pattern. Generally, that pattern is called as a model of casting. So what type of component, what type of shape you need before you have to prepare. Uh, then with the support of patterns, you have to get that required shape. Split pattern. Split that name implies usually made of two parts. One part will make lower half of the mold. The other part will make the upper half of the mold. So here that lower is upper. The both the things will be connected with the type of dowel pins. The two parts are fitted. The correct alignment will get with the supports of dual pins. So these types of pattern split pattern. So compared to solid pattern, split pattern, the alignment is give properly. You get that correct shape and size of that component. Loose piece pattern. So this is that pattern. This is that loose piece. Additional support. Some patterns cannot be removed from the mold as a single piece. So simple shape, it's okay to remove easily. Sometimes a little bit complicated shape have to place that pattern and have to ram tightly packed with that molding sand. It's not easy. Then you have to pour that or spray water particles around that pattern. Then you have to apply some feather touch, apply little bit of force to on that particular pattern. Then only have to remove. So that type of issue is not come in that loose piece pattern. Here, after molding, the solid pattern is removed first. So this is pattern first you have to remove. Then the loose pieces are removed without damaging. So finally, you get that remove that loose piece. So that time to not collapse that edges of the particular mold. This pattern is used for producing complicated castings. Mostly you have to prefer for that complicated castings of projects. So it's called as a loose piece pattern. Match plate. Split metal patterns are fitted both sides of the match plate. So this is that match plate. So pattern you have to fix it on that both sides. One half of the pattern fitted one side, the other half on the other side. Number of patterns can be fitted. So here the number of patterns here, 1, 2, 3, number of patterns have to fitted. These patterns are suitable for producing small accurate castings in large numbers. So one time you get that number of components have to produce with the support of match plate. Skeleton pattern. So here that framework of recute shape is constructed by using ribs and wooden frames. This is that wooden frames and ribs have to use it. So framework is filled with the loam sand. Loam sand, 50% of clay uh, of sand is called as a loam sand. Already discussed various types of sand: green sand, dry sand, parting sand, facing sand, loam sand, coarse sand. So used for producing water pipes, pipe bends, valve bodies of parts produced with the support of these types of pattern. Shell pattern. Shell pattern is a thin hollow pattern. Metal patterns are made in two halves correctly. So dowel pins. So with the proper alignment, you have to use that dowel pins. Outside shape is used for making the mold. Inside surface used for making the core. So used for producing large pipe fittings and short bends. So here we we take so that outside outside you have to use for making the mold. Inside you have to fill inside the core sand to act as a core. So used for producing large pipe fittings and short bends produced with the support of shell pattern. Sweep pattern. Sweep board which rotates about the central axis. This is the sweep board. So rotates about the central axis. Central axis is rotate about the central axis. Shape similar to half the size and shape the recruit casting. So the shape similar to half the size and shape what type of final product it will become. This is that half of the shape. Mold cavity is made by removing the sand when pattern is rotated. So mold cavity is produced when the mold sand is removing with the support of sweep board. Used for producing large size symmetrical and circular casting. Mostly sweep patterns preferred for that circular casting and symmetrical type of objects have to produce through sweep pattern. Segmental. Segmental means a part. Vertical spindle is fixed at the center of that molding box. Vertical spindle is fixed at the center of the molding box. Pattern is fitted with the spindle with the help of pattern is fixed with the support of pivot. After ramming, pattern is removed to form a segment of mold. So these types of process have to continuously. Then we get that segment type of objects you have to collect. Finally, you have to connect with them. So used for producing circular rings, wheel rims. So I have to produce with the type of segment pattern. So solid or single piece. Only one piece you have to use. Split pattern, there are two pieces. The pieces are kind of the support of dowel pins. Loose piece pattern, additionally you have to piece you have to take. Initially you have to remove the solid pattern, then you have to remove the loose piece pattern. So mostly not damage the edges of the particular mold. Match plate. So center plate match plates above and below you have to fix the pattern. You have to fix the number of patterns. You have to take accurate castings in large numbers. Skeleton pattern. Here we used ribs and wooden frames. So with the support of strickle, we get that shape. Remove the unwanted materials. Mostly used for water pipes, pipe bends, and valve bodies. Shell pattern, outer and inner. Outer side you have to use to produce that mold. Inner side you have to use to produce the core. So generally, pipe fitting, short bends produce the support of shell pattern. Sweep pattern with the support of sweep board which rotates about that one axis. Segmental is a part, vertical spindle is fixed, then unwanted sand is removed. Finally, you get that segment of mold. Here, circular rings, wheel rims to produce with the support of segment pattern. Thank you.